Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So as you know that the One UI 8.5 update is now rolling out in the beta form for the Galaxy S25 users. But again, it is only limited to the Galaxy S25 series and only available in some certain regions. So if you are in a region where the One UI 8.5 update is not available, or if you are not using the Galaxy S25 series, so here's how you can get the One UI 8.5 styled icons and the apps. For the icons, first of all, download this application with the name of One UI 8.5 icons from the Play Store app. You can also install the dark icons. So after that, you have to install another application named as Goodlock, and then you have to go into your Goodlock application. Now from here, tap on Theme Park. Now from in the icons, tap on Create New. Now from here, tap on this icon option in the bottom. From here, select Icon Pack. Now from here, select One UI 8.5 icons. After selecting this application, you will have to wait for a while it will load the icons on your device. And once it is done, you just have to simply tap on this download option in the top right corner and name it to save it. And once it is saved, you just have to tap on OK, and now you have to simply select the saved theme. Then after tapping on it, simply tap on apply and the theme will be applied for your Galaxy, and this is how you can get the One UI 8.5 icons on your Galaxy. The major difference between the One UI 8 and the One UI 8.5 icons is that the One UI 8.5 icons are a bit 3D. It has this shadow in the borders. And no need to worry, there is no lag with this. Now if you talk about the One UI 8.5 applications, so if you want this clock application and the calculator application with the One UI 8.5 update, so that is also possible. So for that, simply go into the Twitter application and from there search for this tweet from Turnwards. He has provided the link for these applications to get the One UI 8.5 latest update. There are multiple other applications included like the calculator, calendar, clock, reminder and the Samsung internet. As for now, I have installed the calculator and the clock application and it is working completely fine. So this is how you can get the One UI 8.5 apps and the One UI 8.5 icons on your Samsung Galaxy, which has not supported the One UI 8.5 beta version yet. If you talk about the official update, so that we can expect in the upcoming months. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.